Did you know your immune system controls how your body fights against sickness? Now, what if I told you there are 5 simple foods that can boost your immunity? In this video, we'll break down the top 5 foods that can naturally support your immune system. These are simple, everyday foods you probably already have in your kitchen. Welcome to NutraZe, your best friend for wellness, where everything we share is backed by doctors and reliable studies. Let's jump right into the video, starting with a classic: citrus fruits. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits. All of them are loaded with vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps support immune cell function. According to the NIH, vitamin C plays a role in supporting the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are your body's defenders against infection. That's why people often reach for orange juice when they feel a cold coming on. But here's a little tip: eat the whole fruit instead of just juice, because you'll also get fiber and more controlled sugar release. Now, moving from sweet to savory. Garlic. Garlic has been used for centuries as a natural remedy, and modern science has actually caught up with the hype. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which studies suggest may help the immune system fight germs. In fact, a review in the Journal of Nutrition notes that garlic consumption is linked with supporting immune cell activity. Plus, it's delicious, whether in soups, stir-fries, or roasted whole until it's spreadable like butter. Then, we can't skip ginger. Whenever you've had ginger tea for a sore throat, you already know its soothing effect. Ginger contains gingerol, a bioactive compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding ginger to your daily routine, say in tea or in a smoothie, can support overall immune health and keep inflammation in check. In fact, Dr. Courtney Bloomer, Doctor of Osteopathic Medicine, DO, notes that ginger helps the immune system by reducing inflammation and acting as an antioxidant. Next up on the list is turmeric. This golden spice has been used in Ayurvedic and Asian cooking for centuries. Its star ingredient, curcumin, has been shown to have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. These properties may help support immune health and reduce inflammation. As Mayo Clinic dietitian Anya Guy explains, turmeric contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds called curcuminoids, which have been associated with a positive effect on various diseases. So whether you're drinking turmeric milk or adding a pinch to your curry, turmeric isn't just tasty, it's a science-backed boost for your immunity. And finally, yogurt and other probiotics. Your gut is actually a huge part of your immune system. According to Harvard Health, a large portion of immune cells interact with gut bacteria, which is why probiotics like those found in yogurt, kefir, and fermented foods can support immune balance. Look for yogurt with live and active cultures on the label. And if you don't do dairy, plant-based probiotic foods like sauerkraut or kimchi can play a similar role. Now here's the thing, none of these foods are miracle workers on their own. Eating 1 clove of garlic won't stop the flu, but together, as part of a balanced diet, plus sleep, movement, and hydration, they give your body the tools it needs to fight back when germs come knocking. So next time you're building a grocery list, think about adding citrus for breakfast, garlic and ginger in your cooking, turmeric in your soups, and a little probiotic yogurt on the side. Small daily choices backed by science can make a big difference over time. If you've reached this far, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with someone who needs a little immunity boost. And of course, subscribe to NutraZe for more science-backed wellness tips. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment and tell us which of these 5 immunity foods you already eat every day: citrus, garlic, ginger, turmeric, or yogurt and probiotics. Let's see what the NutraZe community is using to stay strong this season.